Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M13. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Here you will find the SIM ejection tool at the bottom of the box. By the way, here has been the phone, and at the bottom of the box you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings to remove it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a micro SD card. So very nice. Let's start now with the first SIM card. So we need to place it here in the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. And if you want, you can add now a second SIM card. It belongs here to the first position. So this is how it should look like then. So also missing corner on missing corner here. And the contacts, they are below as well. Okay. And if you want, you can also add here a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. So this is how it should look like then here at the end. And of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card as well. And also here the contacts are below, as you can imagine. Okay, and after, if you're ready with your construction, just put it back into the phone here, into the SIM slot. Close it well. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or maybe if you want, you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.